or do we need 2 lights, babes? Okay. So we're gonna rearrange the fridge. How many of us are in the house?
The large wipes.
Yeah, that one. Perfect, Jordan. Thank you. Well done, Jordan. You see that I'm not telling you off now, but you did what I wanted you to do.
Jordan's one of me.
How do you open this thing? So this me lost
I
it.
can help you if you want.
Huh?
I can help you if you want, but nobody needs my help if you want.
Can you well just hold the fridge door. You can help me with that, can't you? There you go.
It's not noisy because it is too noisy.
It's another one. Okay, pass all the yogurt.
That's all the yogurt.
I don't think mommy got yogurt this week.
Not today, matter. Because we have it now.
Careful, for this one's gonna spill. It's open already.
Which one?
The milk here. So this is the new milk. We don't need to open this one. We're gonna open up the all of them had to pour.
Nah, I'm already first.
Go and drink your water. Yeah. Yeah, get one more. Can you find one more? One more. Are you thirsty, you said?
I'm back here for juice.
For juice, okay, so.
I'm at school.
Tootaloo.
Have you done your bit for humanity?
Not yet, because I still have to make what we're gonna eat and then make it spaghetti. But but yeah, this is what it's looking like.
No, I was.
I didn't do this the door, but yeah.